Okay, so now let's look at B and C. If we have B, we want to divide out. So there are three pieces. 1, 2, 3. That means in our bracket, I'm going to draw it down here. There are going to be three pieces. I'm not going to put the yellow in because it makes it so messy. Okay, then there is a plus and a plus. Those are going to go plus, plus in the bracket separating my three pieces. So let's do some factoring. 4. 1 times 4. 2 times 2. 16. 1 times 16. 2 times 8. 4 times 4. 20. 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 4 times 5. My brain shut off there for a second. So what's common? If we look at all of these, this one's got a 4, this one's got a 4, this one's got a 4. Now they all have 2's. That's not wrong, but we want the biggest number. So we're going to go with the 4. Okay, so if we factor that 4 out, what's going to be left over in our first spot? Well, there's just going to be a 1, and it's going to be an x squared. So 1x squared. If we factor out a 4 from here, what's going to be left over? A 4 and the letter x. And if we factor out a 4 from the 20, all that's left over is the 5. Okay, let's do the next one. We are going to have three pieces in our bracket. 1, 2. Oh, 60 is going to be hard. Okay. But I'm going to show you a trick. Okay, 10. 1 times 10. 2 times 5. 15. 1 times 15. 3 times 5. 60. 1 times 60. 2 times 30. 3 times 20. 4 times 15, I think. Where's my calculator? 3 times 15 is 45. Yeah, 4 times 15 is 60. 5 times 12, like 60 is just all sorts of special. But if you've got a number, see how 10 and 15 are kind of limited because they only have two options for each? You can use this as your cheat for this one. Okay, we know that the largest common factor right now is 5 from the 10 and the 15. That probably means that the largest common factor from the 60 is also going to be the 5. I just have to blow my nose. I will pause you for that. So. Okay, I'm back. It's allergy season. Now that everything, like the snow is gone, my allergies have gone next level. Okay, so by using this trick, 5 is the limiting factor in both the 10 and the 15. That's as large as we can go in any of the 60. Like, it's great that these are factors, but they don't go into both 10 and 15. So we have to use our value that limits. I'm going to get rid. Whoopsies. Pause. I fixed it. Okay. The struggle is real today. So 5 is our common factor. What are the signs that are going to go into our bracket? Negative, negative. So we're going to use those negatives and we're going to use them to break up our three parts because there are three parts in the question. We're going to have 3 parts in the bracket here. 5 times 2x squared would have given us 10x squared. 5 times 3x would have given us 15x. 5 times 12 would have given us 60. Now, because I just took the negatives down, I don't have to worry about these numbers as positives or negatives. I'm like, listen, they're minuses. I'm just going to deal with it as a 10, a 15, and a 60, and a minus in between them. Okay, try.